attack should not guide the jury's verdict. David Norris and Gary Dobson deny murdering the black teenager in Eltham in 1993. The defence says that forensic evidence against them was contaminated. Tom Simons reports.
The final act of this high-profile trial, 18 years after the stabbing of Stephen Lawrence. His family, including his brother Stuart, here on the right, have all been in court. Defendants Gary Dobson and David Norris were brought from prison by van for the judge's summing up. Mr. Justice Tracy told the jury, emotions such as sympathy for the Lawrence family have no part to play. Equally, anger at the attack on Stephen Lawrence cannot guide your decisions. He set out for the jury the routes they must take to reach a verdict. He said they had to be sure forensic evidence came from Stephen Lawrence and that there had been no contamination of the evidence while in storage bags. They had to be sure either defendant had been present and participating in the attack. To be guilty of murder, the defendant must have intended to kill Stephen or cause him serious harm. But under the laws of joint enterprise, if they realised another member of the group intended to kill, that could also be murder. The jury can consider manslaughter as an alternative. The judge has been summarising all of the evidence, including eyewitness descriptions of the attack here on Wellhall Road in Eltham and the detailed views of forensic scientists. He told the jury they had to be sure of their verdicts, but also that this trial wasn't some sort of detective novel where all the loose ends were tied up in the final chapter. There might be some unanswered questions once they had made their decisions. David Norris and Gary Dobson both deny murder. The jury will begin considering its verdicts tomorrow.
Tom Simons reporting.